This warm-up might be more challenging and more effective than whatever workout you're currently doing. So think, move with intention. Warming up doesn't get as much attention because it's not as sexy as those workouts, but it is more important if we're gonna send the right types of patterns, have the body activated and moving properly. I got 3 of my favorite moves that I do when it comes to strength training. It's gonna be a weighted, loaded carry in the farmer's carry that's gonna help activate our glutes, our core, good movement patterns, good center of gravity. And then the goblet squat is, again, promoting optimal movement patterns, especially when it comes to our leg movements. And if those muscles are turned on, all those small little muscles in our hips everywhere, we're gonna get more out of everything that we do. So our workout is gonna be more efficient, more effective. Final move is gonna be the opener, our world's greatest stretch. We're gonna get the rotational force opened up our lower back, our hips. Have fun with this, put some intention to what you are doing. Hope this was helpful.